What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Day here, back again with another video, and then this is going to be part 5 to my 50k Topstep combine series journey, whatever you want to call it. Currently it is 9:31, so we got about like 4 minutes until my session starts. So as you saw from the previous videos or episodes, we have built a very nice buffer of 1,855. As you know, I'm trading negative risk to reward on Renko, so like I said, I built up this nice buffer. But if we happen to lose today, our balance will be 1,000 even, since I'm risking about like 800 to make 400. But if we take a loss, we, obviously you get hit twice as hard with negative RR. But the main reason why I trade it is because of the win rate. I see these moves happen often. Like I said, like even what I showed y'all last week, like y'all can see the consistency of my wins. You could just see a bunch of green, 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 red, red, green, 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 and so on. You know what I'm saying? So it's like I like that consistency. I like seeing wins. So this is why I love like higher like win rate strategies, even though this is just my preference. Like I say, don't follow me. So yeah, but if we do happen to take a win, let's say we take 2 wins, then we will basically only need 1 more trade in order to pass this challenge, right? So we could potentially pass this on Tuesday, right? If everything goes well, we can pass it on Tuesday. That's in the perfect world though. Nothing is guaranteed with trading. Nothing is certain. Don't matter your strategy, your personality, whatever the case may be. Nothing is certain in the market, so you always want to remember that. So we're gonna go ahead and get this started. It is about 1 more minute into 9:35, and yeah, so far I'm gonna be anticipating a sell. Currently prices have kind of just been a little bit like consolidating within this area right here, and we're starting to see some bearish pressure. So let's just see if we're gonna go ahead and get this entry in. But there we go, we get that bearish entry. So let's see what happens today. Let me adjust my stuff. And yeah, so as you can see, remember what I said, like price to follow, like when you follow prices, like right here, I don't know if you can see this like moving up and down right there. That's where real-time price is going, so y'all could kind of like keep your eyes on that alongside like the wrinkle boxes. Yeah, off rip, compared to the other trades that I took last time, like last time there was like barely any type of drawdown for real. This one we're having like a lot of drawdowns, so yeah, it's just a waiting game honestly. So yeah. All right, we started to see a little bit. Yeah, there we go. So we're starting to see a little bit of green. So we're currently in profit for the most part. But it's still, like I said, that's not guaranteed. As you can see right there, we get that bullish pressure right back. So yeah, like I said, it's just a waiting game. All right, so we're back in profit for a little bit. Let's see if we can get that bearish pressure down. All right, now price is coming back with some bullish volatility, so it's having a lot of like upside momentum. I can see that right like clearly, actually very clearly. Like I said, like if you look at my other episodes compared to like those trades literally happen in like, I don't know, like very, very quickly with no drawdown. So this one we might get stopped out right here. Let's just see what happens honestly, because yeah, there's a lot of bullish pressure in the markets for this short-term type of trading. So, yeah, that's why I kind of also have my stop like just a little bit above like this like next wrinkle box printing. Okay, there it goes. So we got stopped out for today. So today is actually gonna be an L. But yeah, as I was saying, like I like to have my stop just like a little bit above, because sometimes price will literally come like, let's say like right here, and like reverse. I've seen it happen plenty of times. All right, so basically we took an L. As you can see right here, our balance is going to be negative 845. This one was still very quick too. Like I started my trade at literally exactly at 9:35, and then it ended around like 9:38, 9:39. So only about like 4 minutes into the markets, or 4 or 5 minutes into the market. So although we didn't get the win, I still appreciate the strategy for allowing me to kind of like keep my trading time minimum, bro. Like I said, I'm not in the markets that long. We just kind of like in and out the markets, whether we win or lose. I feel like that's more of my preference compared to like just staying in the markets for a while, because like I said, I just kind of want to just like get my trade off and then just like go, if that makes any sense. I don't know. I don't really like, I love trading. It's like, I just don't like trading, if that makes any sense. You know what I'm saying? So it's like anything could happen in the markets, unless I was like more of like a long-term like swing trader, day trader, something like that. But nah, I'm just like a pure scalper for real. So yeah, but we're gonna check out my analytics right here. So we're gonna go over to the performance stats. Y'all can see the win rate went down a little bit because we took this loss, and y'all could like, you know, I'll skim through like the stats like I always do. I'm excited to actually build this up some more because I'll be able to see more like stats and more data when it comes to like most profitable day, most active day, all this stuff right here. So, but with that comes with a lot of data. So you're gonna have to keep trading. You know what I'm saying? You can't just like have like 2 to 3 days of like trading and then try to like focus on stats like these. You actually gotta build yourself. That's why I'm hoping to like get funded with this account. And then I can kind of like grow it over term or whatever I got to do, even if I like losing over term or over time. And I could start seeing like more data and stats like this. But yeah, so I just go through this real quick. And then so trade count and win rate, right? So today's trade was around 2 to 5 minutes. I believe it was 4 to 5 minutes. So this is going to be the trade that we took today, basically. As you can see, it was a loss, but the trade time, like I said, is still short. That's what I love to see, honestly. So my day is basically done. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that, and then let me show you the calendar, right? So here we go. So remember, day 1, 763, day 2, negative 426, day 3, 758, day 4, 758, and day 5, negative 845, right? Now the difference between this day and this day is I had won a trade and lost a trade on this day. So as you can see, I had won one and then I lost one. So it basically, like, when I lose and when I look at my overall like kind of like P&L, I basically only need one more trade in order to make up this day, which had happened right here, right? This has happened like with one more trade, but then I won another trade. So it basically doubled my profits like when I took this win right here on Thursday. But in today's day, now that since I lost like basically like my original risk, right? I have to like win 2 more trades in order to make up my profit, right? And I know a lot of y'all gonna be in the comments like not understanding like negative risk to reward. You know, I'm not here to persuade you to trade negative risk to reward. I'm here to share you my journey. You know what I'm saying? So like, I don't want y'all to like think that, okay, like this is what y'all have to do, or you're gonna have to start learning negative RR because you see another YouTuber trading it. It's not really that I'm trying to persuade y'all, but I do want to bring more light to negative RR because you can go through my comments, bro. You can go through my comments in like some of my like series videos. I actually had a comment, or like one of my community tab comments. I think I had like a lot of comments with people who actually trade negative RR, and I've also talked to some people on Instagram too that trades negative RR. They found a lot of success with it. They said that even like them trading negative RR was the only profitable thing they're doing, right? So it's like everybody's different, bro. I talk to people who trade like 1 to 10s only, bro. Like everybody's different, honestly, bro. It's just all about your psychology, your mentality, how you want to go about trading, what you're gonna do, and so on, right? It may not be comfortable to you, it may not make sense to you, but this is why I'm sharing my journey, bro. Like I said, a failing challenge don't really mean anything to me. Like, you know how many challenges I failed with Forex prop firms and futures prop firms combined, bro? Like, bro, the amount of challenges that I failed, the amount of, not even just challenges, the amount of funded accounts that I failed, bro, and blew, bro, because I wasn't really like doing what I was supposed to do, even if I get funded, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I'm more of like this like conservative approach. When I get funded, I'm just gonna hold it to the side, and then I'm just gonna, you know, do what I gotta do. So now I have a list of funded accounts that I could keep up with accordingly, and then I can like, once I feel more comfortable, then I could like, you know, tackle it, like go for payouts and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? So that's basically my plan. I'm still growing as a trader, honestly, but this is really gonna be a short video because like I said, I took a loss and that's about it. I don't really care about anything else that happens in the market. When I forward tested and back tested this strategy, bro, every time I took a loss, there was like wins, like straight wins after that. There's never been a time where I seen a loss happen and then right after there was another loss, you know what I'm saying? But I told myself I'm not gonna overtrade. I'm not gonna like, this is the reason why I'm risking, you know, high. I already like to risk high on challenges and then conservative on the funded accounts, but this is the reason why I like to risk high, because I see like an opportunity, I take it, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see what tomorrow's gonna bring. If I win 2 trades tomorrow, basically this day is like canceled out. If I lose another trade tomorrow, then I'll be like even more negative. But like I said, we built that great buffer from last week, so I'm still satisfied, bro. Like I said, whatever happens happens. Like, this is just my transparency, showing y'all a journey, showing y'all my wins, showing y'all my losses, and just showing y'all what's about to be like happening on this account for real. So yeah, but that's all I really got for this video, and I'll be back tomorrow if we get a setup, most likely, because I get a lot of setups like with this strategy. So I feel like I probably am gonna be daily uploading like Oh geez, my mic had like cut off at the very end, but I was gonna say that I was probably gonna be daily uploading for the most part. And yeah, for the most part, honestly, that's all I really got. So if you like this video, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you didn't, do what you gotta do. Appreciate y'all either way, and I'll get back to y'all tomorrow.